In this video, I'll show you how to use the direct chat link in tawk.to. When someone clicks the link, a new browser tab opens and the chat begins. The direct chat link allows your customers to start a chat with you or your team immediately. To find it, log into your tawk.to account and make sure you've selected the right property. Click the gear icon to open the administration panel. Go to Channels, then select Chat Widget. Find the direct chat link and click Copy. You can hyperlink or embed the direct chat link wherever your customers might need support, such as in an email signature, a newsletter, a button on your website, or a social media post. When someone clicks the link, the widget opens on a new page and the chat starts. Before sharing it, make sure it's working and that your widget is online. If there's a problem, double-check the URL and status of your widget. Use clear wording when embedding the direct chat link in a call-to-action button, such as "Chat with us," so people know what to expect. And avoid posting it in public or unsecured forums to keep it safe. One last note. If you've enabled the pre-chat form, visitors will be asked to fill it in before the chat begins. And yes, the direct chat link works on mobile too. It's a quick way to connect wherever your customers are. For more tutorials like this, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a session with our customer support team.